going. All right. So my other two contestants, if you would come over this way, please. I'd like for each of you to do half of the line. One of you do the left side all the way from the toes to the top of the head, and the other person on the other side. Just making one big stripe of duct tape all the way up and down. Get this straightened out. Woo. So, this goes from the bottom of the foot.
Okay.
Like the big toe, plantar side, around the heel, and up the midline of the calf, through the hamstrings, up of the glutes, and through the midline rector area, a little bit more, sticky all the way up and over to the talus area, kind of the forehead of the hoodie. All right, and side number two, sir. Connection all the way from the feet to the top of the head and everywhere in between. Just like that on the screen, superficial back line, or recreating there. All the way up and over. All of that stuff in the middle could be causing a headache. Any imbalance or dysfunction in the back and spine could be affecting how his gait pattern would be when he walks and plays and runs and does whatever activities he is doing. All right, so Michael, please turn over onto your back. Right where you are. And we are going to do the front line the same way. 1/2 each, please. One's actually going to connect around the foot. Kind of toes first. If you want to help me pat this one down, right on the shin, tibialis anterior, up the quads. Discount duct tape. What are you going to do? And then it kind of jumps to the middle, up the midline of the through the abs, through the chest. This one follows right on the line of the hood, like you wouldn't even have to go on the skin of the hoodie. That's like the SCM line, connecting from behind the ear to the sternoclavicular joint. Any imbalance there could be causing dysfunction elsewhere. Front or back, side to side, up or down, left to right. We are three-dimensional people. Beautiful. Thank you. Now the fun one. I guess if you could roll onto your right side, facing the screen. When we get that wrap around spiral line. This one's kind of advanced. Don't try this at home. Can you put that arm up over your head, top arm. This one goes underneath the shoulder blade. across about the navel, belly button area, and exit over, and then, all right, come back onto your back. And this is going to wrap much more lateral this time through like the IT bands, straight down into the like lateral calf, soleus, and it wraps around the bottom of the foot, kind of creating a hammock through there. Like I said, with the muscle chart, there's bands and bands of stuff in every direction, kind of holding the ankle all together. So now turn facing the wall on your left side. And somewhere back there is the other hand. Kind of under the armpit. And come back onto your back. We're going to cross over the X in the middle. Through the empty band, down the soleus strut, lateral aspects, and hook up under the feet. Perfect. Thank you. Still doing okay? Oh, Batman. Shouldn't have used your real name, should I? Our identity will be shown. So, whoop. Can you sit straight up, please? Maybe do some work. See how when he sat up, all this stuff bunched up because those contracted, so to speak. So now, Batman, I'm going to have you come over to